Hello, everyone. Let's learn about the future tense today. The future tense is used to talk about an event that did not happen and is not happening. Later, it will happen. For the future tense, you use the helping verb will or the phrase be going to. Let's learn more about the helping verb will. Example sentences are, I will bake cookies, and he will bake cookies. You use will before the base verb. This happens in first, second, or third person. It happens with nouns that are singular or plural. Remember to use the base verb after will. For the negative form, just add not after will. I will not go, for example. The short form is won't. She won't bake cookies. To make a question, place will before the subject and the base verb after it. So you would say, will you bake cookies? When you answer, use will. Say, yes, I will, or no, I won't. Be going to is used to talk about a future plan